My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the online scam that come from the site Papereu.click. Keep in mind that this is a deceptive website that now attacks Google, Chrome and other browsers. Papereu.click displays pretty frustrating messages mentioning that your PC might be vulnerable to viruses and other threats. At first glance, it looks as if this pop-up tries to help you. It claims to be related to some well-known security program, but in reality, when people start interacting with it, when they click on this Stay Protected button, they actually get soon redirected to some other junk websites that promote a totally different software. So you should be very careful. These pop-ups are not related to any decent security applications. Instead, Papereu.click pop-ups are the example of the typical online scam. So you should not interact with these multiple pop-ups. Such alerts, by the way, may be the result of some adware to be currently enabled in your system. First thing you should do is to thoroughly and carefully check the control panel of your computer. Then check the list of the programs. And if you find any suspicious applications on the list that you don't remember installing directly, make sure you uninstall them in the regular manner. Very often such pop-ups are the result of the adware that is hidden in the system. To detect this adware, we recommend you to use a special program called Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. So go to this official website combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner Antivirus for detection and elimination of any other malware or adware that could be hidden on your system. So after the page gets loaded, download the installer of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. There will be a special green download button, so download Combo Cleaner, install the application, and then begin thoroughly researching and investigating your computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.